So you may have different PDF files and you may want to go ahead and edit them out. Of course, by using ILovePDF, you can edit them out right here online. But one of the ways that you might want to edit and get an editable version so that anyone can edit is by converting it out into a Word document. So to do that, over here you can see that PDF to Word is an option. So you can even go to convert PDF and you can see that PDF to Word is an option right here. And if you were to go to all PDF tool right here, you can see that PDF to Word is here as well. Well, let me just go around and click right here, and then you can go ahead and select out a PDF file right here that you want to convert. So let's say I'm going to go ahead and select out, let's say for example, this particular PDF file right here, and I'm going to go ahead and click on open. So I can see that this is what you have. So you can even enable OCR if you have the premium version, but you can go for no OCR as well. So you can even go ahead and add in more files. So let's say, for example, I'm going to go around over here and then select out, let's say, for example, reCloud presence right here, just like this. So you can see that this is what you have. So now you can see that this is what you have. So now you can go ahead and remove them out as well, and you have like these options. So you can simply go ahead now and convert it out to Word right here. And you can see that it says converted to Microsoft Word document right here. So you can save on one of the cloud drives, or you can simply go ahead and then download this out right here. And as you do, you can see your PDF file right here as a Microsoft Word document right here, just like this. So you can see that this is what you have. So you got all of the contents right here, just like this. You got all of the annotations and everything of the PDF file. It has been converted out right here as a Word document that you can go ahead and edit as you like, as you can see just like this. So that is basically how you can actually go ahead and convert out PDF files to Word using ILovePDF. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe